Okay, here's everything I'm using. Shop towels. We have a Phillips and a slot head screwdriver. You need some crush washers. You need a new oil filter. 4.4 quarts of 0W20, standard funnel, oil catch pan, gloves. I've got a torque wrench. The torque specs on the oil pan I think are 30 foot-pounds. And then a socket wrench. I think it takes a 17 millimeter. I'm going to get under there and double check. Okay, first order of business, loosen up the oil cap, and let's go underneath and take the plate off. Okay, so this cover, there's two Phillips up front here, there's two Phillips in the back, and there's two slot heads on either side. So go ahead and undo those, and this will slide out and down. Alright, so quick tip. The Phillips head in the back are extremely difficult to get out. Okay, so there's the shield. Comes out nice and easy. And now let's get to the actual oil pan right here. Alright, time for the new crush washer. Take one off. New one goes on. Let's put this back in the oil pan. Alright, the oil is mostly done dripping, and now is a good time to remind you, put down some cardboard so you don't spill oil all over your garage floor. Alright, so I've got the new crush washer on. Let's go ahead and hand tighten the drain plug, and let's take out the oil filter. Looks like it's pretty good clearance. There might be a little bit that catches on this lip, but overall looks like it should clear pretty easily. Alright, oil filter's out. I'm going to install the new one. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here before I install it. Alright, going to prime this with a little oil. A lot easier if you only have the 1 quart. Alright. Dab a little oil on that O-ring right there. And let's install this guy. Alright, filter is primed. Let's go ahead and install that guy. Just going to go hand tight on this. Alright. Looks like it misses this this plastic piece here, which is nice. Alright, oil's in. I got 4.4 quarts in. I'm going to reinstall the undercarriage protection, get off the ramps, and then check the levels, and I'm all set. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.